Twitter is a great platform to present our business and promote our business and to connect with our audience. So we can use the Twitter platform. Okay, so in this video I will dive into the how I am playing this Twitter organic game. Okay, so first of all, I am following the relevant persons. So okay, I am following the relevant persons on Twitter, and some of them will following back. In this way I am getting the some followers to my Twitter handle, and then I optimized my Twitter profile, so like I included the profile picture and cover image, and I included the bio, like I'm so working as a digital marketing consultant and blogger and YouTuber, and also I am diverting who are visiting my Twitter profile phase. I am diverting those users to so either my website or either my YouTube channels. So like that you have to optimize your Twitter profile so for better results. And next I am saying the thank you for new followers. So whenever I am getting a new follower on my Twitter, I am saying thank you to them via DM or via direct tweet by tagging them. So here why you have to share the thank you for new followers, because it will add some authenticity and credibility. And also here thing is the when you share the thank you for your new followers, they feel some great about you, and they will engage with your upcoming tweets. That's more important. Okay, you have to get the engagement for your tweets. So this is the one hack to so get the engagement from your new followers. And also here when you start the conversation with your new followers, they ask you different questions, and there is a chance to take the consultation or services or products from you also. So that's why you have to start the conversations with your new followers. Why not to start with a thank you note? Okay, so that's the thing. Next, here I am replying to the others tweets. Whenever some persons are tweeting, I will get those tweets on my feed, and I am replying to those tweets. When I reply to those tweets, so that particular persons are liking my replies and giving replies to back to those replies. This will increase the visibility for my Twitter. Okay, next I am retweeting others people tweets. So here in the retweeting also you have to play the game, like, so don't press just retweet and directly retweet. So that's not work that much. Here you have to retweet like uh, there when you click the retweet button, so there are two options. One is quick retweet and another one is the retweet with quote. You have to select the option retweet with the quote. There you have to add your thoughts to the tweet and you have to retweet that. So when you retweet like this, your followers will more consider about the tweet, and the whatever the tweet wanna will be appreciate you also. Okay, next you have to tweet on this Twitter platform regularly. You have to tell your thoughts, your experience, your knowledge in different formats. Okay, you can upload images, you can put directly you can directly put a test tweets, and you can also put the video tweets. Okay, you have to whatever the format, so you have to tweet on the Twitter so regularly. And also whenever tweeting, so it's better if you include the some influencers or some of your followers. So when you include some persons in your in your tweet, so then that tweet will be visible to more persons. And also whoever the person, so whatever person you are tagging in the tweet, that person will retweet your tweet, and that person will like your tweet, and they will give the reply to your tweet. So in this way you can boost some engagement to that particular tweet, and you can get the more eyeballs to your Twitter account. So next method is the, so you have to promote the your Twitter handle so half to the your Twitter. So you have a presence on Instagram, you may have a presence on LinkedIn, you may have a presence on YouTube or blog. So why not to convert those users to your Twitter handle? So okay, so you can convert your blog visitors, you can convert your YouTube visitors, you can convert your Facebook page visitors, so that you can convert these users to your Twitter handle, and you can grow your Twitter followers to the next level. So after getting the some followers on Twitter, after acquiring these followers on Twitter, you have to keep nurture those audience with your valuable stuff. Okay guys, so in this way I am playing my Twitter organic game. So why not to try yourself, so like this, and play the Twitter game to boost your business on the Twitter. Okay guys, I hope this particular video help you. If you love video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.